Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to duplicate objects around circle in Blender. In this tutorial, I will duplicate a sphere to a circle shape. So we can go to Add Mesh and go to just UV sphere to add the sphere. Next, we can select the UV sphere and then go to Modifier Properties and go to Add Modifier. Go to Generate, we can find Array. So, I enlarge it. So we can go to Array Modifier, we can go to Shape and choose Circle. This is new feature in Blender 5. If you don't have Blender 5, you can download from the website. So we can go down to here, the radius, we can increase the radius. We can find the objects is duplicated. And then I enlarge it. And then we can go to a number of times and we can increase it. Actually, we can go to the viewport. We can click the box to adjust the size, the radius. And also we can go to click and drag the cross to adjust number of times. And then we can customize the setting in Array Modifier. We can change the axis. We can go to circle segment to choose full or arc. So this is how we can duplicate objects around circle in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.